Hello everyone, and welcome back to LAX Model Airport. Today, I have a very special airplane that has just arrived, and this is the A350-900 ITA Airways. Very excited about this airplane. It's been a long time coming, because I know I gotta kind of keep up with, all the new airplanes coming to LAX. This is by Phoenix Models. Not too crazy of a box, but I think when I purchased this, I just thought I was getting like the ITA Airways, but I guess I got a special one, Monza 100. I think it's like a race or something, but very awesome. So basically I got a special A350. That is really cool. Without further ado, let's get it open. All right guys, here it is out of the box. We're taking it out of the box. This is the first time I've ever taken this out of the box as well. This is probably one of the most beautiful A350s I've ever had. The detail on this is incredible. Let's just set this down for a minute. Here's a nice close-up. Beautiful details. Even the engine's here. Sky Team on the front. Sorry for the shakiness. ITA Airways. Again from the bottom here. Highly detailed. Here it is at the gate. Absolutely stunning. Right next to this Emirates A380. And here's the other side. Well, of course we have to get that. I don't know how to pronounce that correctly, but Monza 100. There we go. Overall, lots of good quality on this model, and I'm very excited to have this on the layout. So stay tuned for future videos of this aircraft on my LAX layout. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for more at LAX Model Airport, LAX Model Airport 1400 on TikTok, and LAX Model Airport on Instagram, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.